Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question number 17th. The given question is, if A equals to, it's a 3 by 3 matrix, and it is given that so that A square equals to A. We have to show that A square equals to A. Okay, first we have to write the given matrix, that is A equals to -1 3 5 1 -3 -5 -1 3 and 5. Okay, and now first of all we have to find the value of A square. Okay, then A square is equals to, since it's a square, and we can see here clearly it's a square matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, then its A square is possible. I am going to put the value of A, that is -1 3 5 1 -3 -5 -1 3 and 5. Again the value of A, that is A into A, which is A square. Okay, here is -1 3 5 1 -3 -5 -1 3 and 5. This is 3 by 3 matrix, and this is also 3 by 3 matrix, and the multiplication is possible. Then I am going to multiply here. As we know, the definition of multiplication of two matrices is, I am going to multiply it like first row and first column first. Okay, the product matrix will be of 3 by 3 matrix of order 3 by 3, first row and first column. Then it will be 1 into 1, it will be +1, and 3 into 1 will be 3, and 5 into -1 will be -5. Again first row and second column, that is -3 -9 plus 15. Here is -3 -9 and 15. Again first row and third column, that will be -5 and -15 and +25. Okay, again second row and first column, it will be -1 -3 and 5. Okay, and first row and second column, it will be 3 plus 9 plus 15. Again second row and third column, that is 5 plus 15 and -25. Okay, and the last one is third row and first column, that is 1 plus 3 -5, and again third row and second column, that is -3 -9 plus 15, and last one is third row and third column, that is -5 plus 15 and +25. Okay, this will be the product matrix, that is the order is 3 by 3. Here is, it will be +1 plus 3 -5 3 1 4 4 -5, that is -1. Here is 9 3, it will be -9 -3 plus 15 will be 3, it is 16. Okay, 9 3 12, and -12 plus 15 will be +3. Okay, and here is 15 -5 -15 will be -20 plus 25 will be 5. Here is it will be 1, it will be -3 -5, it will be -1, and this will become 3, and this will become 5. Okay, and clearly as we can see here, this is our given matrix, that is matrix E. Okay, then I can write here, this is equals to A. This is our answer. Question number 18 is, if A equals to, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 -1 3 2, and B equals to 0 4 -1 7, that is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Find 3A square minus 2B plus I. Okay, we have to find the value of 3a square minus 2b plus I. Okay, now we have to find first a square, and then I'm going to arrange the whole equation, and we will find the value of 3a square minus 2b plus I. Okay, first the given that a equals to 2 minus 1 3 and 2, and b equals to 0 4 minus 1 and 7. Here a square will be 2 minus 1 and 3 and 2, again 2 minus 1 3 and 2. This will be equals to first one, first column, 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3, 4 minus 3 will be 1, again first row and second column, it will be 2 1 is 2 minus 2, and minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus of 4, second row and first column, it will be 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6 6 12, second row and second column, that is minus 3 and 4, minus 3 plus 4 will be plus 1. Okay, this is the value of a square. Now I'm going to arrange it like 3a square minus 2b plus I, which is equals to 3 times of the value of a square is 1 minus 4 12 and 1, minus of 2 times of b, the value of b is 0 4 minus 1 and 7, plus I for identity matrix, and the order will be 2 by 2 because of a is 2 by 2 and b is 2 by 2. That's why the identity matrix also will be of order 2 by 2, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, now it will be equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and here is negative, minus 12, and 3 into 12 36, 3 into 1 will be 3, minus of, I'm going to multiply by 2 in each of the term a matrix B, then it will be 0, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2 minus 2, and 2 7 is 14. Okay, plus 1 0 0 1. Okay, it will be equals to, this is 3 minus 0 plus 1 will be 4. Now minus 12 minus 8 minus 20, here will be minus 12 minus 8, it will be minus 20, minus 20, here is 36. Okay, minus minus plus, then it will be 36 plus 2 will be 38, and here is 3 minus 14 plus 1. Okay, 3 minus 14 plus 1, 3 plus 1 4, minus 14 will be minus 10. Okay, so this will be our answer. 4 minus 20 and 38 minus 1 minus 10, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, this is our answer. Question number 21. First is solve for x and y, and given that 2 minus 3 1 1, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and it is x y, this is a 2 by 1 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix, and this is a 2 by 1 matrix, and the product is 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, then we have to find the value of x and y. Given that it's a 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 minus 3 1 1, and here is it's a 2 by 1 matrix, that is x and y, and which is equals to 1 and 3. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is a 2 by 1 matrix, and this is also a 2 by 1 matrix. Since 2 and 2 is equal, that's why their product is possible. I'm going to multiply these two given matrices and it will be, then their product will be a 2 by 1 matrix, and here is 2 by 1 matrix, okay, and which is equals to 1 and 3. It's 2 by 1 matrix, okay. Here will be, this is the first row and first column. First row and first column, it will be 2x and minus 3y, okay. Second row and first column, I'm going to multiply second row and first column, writing here, it will be x plus y. This is x plus y, and which is equals to 1 and 3, okay. Since their order are same and here is equal sign, and both are equal, that's why their corresponding elements will be equal. Then 2x minus 3y equals to 1 and x plus y equals to 3, and here will be 2x minus 3y is equals to 1 and x plus y is equals to 3. There are two equations. I am going to solve it for x and y. Then I am going to multiply in second equation by 3, then it will become 3x plus 3y, which is equals to 3 3 is 9, and writing here it will be 3x plus 3y, which is equals to 9. I'm going to add it, that will be minus 3y plus 3y will be 0, and 2x, 3x will be 5x, and which is equals to 1 plus 9 will be 10, then x will be 10 by 5, that will be 2. The value of x is 2, and here is x plus y equals to 3, x plus y equals to 3. I'm going to put the value of x, that is 2 plus y equals to 3. This implies that y equals to 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. Then y equals to 1, okay. Then this is the value of x and y, and this is our answer, okay. Question number 22, first is, if A equals to 3 minus 5 minus 4 2, that is 2 by 2 matrix, and so we have to show that A square minus 5A minus 14th I equals to O, that is null matrix, okay. We have to show that, this one. I'm going to take here left hand side. No, I'm going to find the value of A square. First of all, A square, which is equals to A into A, and the value of A is 3 minus 5 minus 4 and 2, again 3 minus 5 minus 4 and 2, okay. I'm going to multiply it, then the order of the product matrix will be 2 by 2, because of this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Their product is possible, that's why here is first row and first column, then it will be 3 3 is 9 and 5 4 is 20, 9 plus 20, and again first row and second column, that will be first row, 3 5 is 15 minus 15, and 5 2 is 10 minus 10, okay. And here is second row and first column, it will be 4 3 is 12 minus 12, and 2 4 is 8 minus 8, and second row and second column will be plus 20, and 2 2 is 4 plus 4, okay. The value of A square will be 29 and minus 25, and here is minus 20, and it will be a 20 plus 4, wait a minute, second row and second column, it will be minus 4 into minus 5, 20, and 2 2 is 4, there it will be 24, okay. This is correct. This is the value of A square, okay. And the given left side is A square minus 5A minus 14th I. I'm going to write here left hand side, which is equals to A square minus 5A minus 14th I is equals to, the value of A square is 29 minus 25 minus 20 and 24, okay. And minus 5 times of A is 3 minus 5 minus 4 and 2, minus 14th I, and I will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so identity matrix of order 2 by 2, that is 1 0 0 1. And now here will be 29 minus 25 minus 20 and 24 minus of, I'm going to multiply by 5 from each term of the given matrix, this. Then here is 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 minus 25, and 5 4s are minus 20, and 5 2s are 10. Okay, and negative is here, negative is here. Now minus of 14th, going to multiply by 14th into 1, then 14 into 0 0 0 and 14. Okay, now it will become 29 minus 15 minus of 15 minus 14. Okay, it will be 4 5 9 and 2 29, and 29 minus 29 will be 0. Here is minus 25 plus 25 plus 0 will be 0. Okay, minus 20 plus 20 will be 0, minus 0 also 0. Here is 24 minus 10 minus 14, minus 10 minus 14 will be minus 24, and plus 24 will be 0. Then here will be 0. Okay, this is a null matrix of order 2 by 2. I'm going to write here O, that is a null matrix which is right hand side. Okay, then this is our hence proved 0 0 1 and b equals to 0 1 minus 1 0, so that a into a plus b into b into a into a minus b into b equals to a square plus b square into a. Okay, the left side is a into a plus b into b. I'm going to find first this one and this one. After that we will multiply these both terms. Okay, now solution is a equals to 1 0 0 1. Okay, and b equals to 0 1 minus 1 and 0. First I'm going to find a plus b b, this one a plus b b, and which is equals to a into the value of capital A is 1 0 0 1, again plus b times of capital B, the matrix B, that is 0 1 minus 1 0, and the value will be a into 0 will be 0, a into 0 will be 0, and a into 1 will be a, plus b into 0, b into 1, b into 1, b into minus 1, b into 0. It will be 0, b minus b and 0. Again the addition of these two matrices will be a plus 0 will be a, 0 plus b will be b, and 0 minus b, it will be minus b, and a plus 0 will be a. Okay, this is the value of a into a plus b into b. Again I'm going to find the value of this that is a into a minus b into b, which is a into a minus b into b, is equals to, here is a into a 0 0 1 minus b into b 0 1 minus 1 0, which is equals to a 0 0 a 0 0 a minus 0 b minus b 0, and their subtraction will be a minus 0 0 minus b, a minus 0 will be a, and 0 minus b will be minus b, and 0 minus minus b will be plus b, and a minus 0, that is a. Okay, this is the value of a minus a into a minus b into b. Okay, and the given left side left hand side is equals to a into a plus b into b into a into a minus b into b. Okay, I'm going to put the value of a into a plus b into b, that is this one, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, that is a b minus b and a, and again into a minus bb, that is a minus b, b and a, and their multiplication will be, since their multiplication possible because of this is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix, and this one is equal the column of pre-matrix, pre-multiplier matrix, and the row of post-multiplier matrix is equal. That's why their product is possible. Now I'm going to multiply these two matrices. First row and first column will be a into a square plus b into b square. Then it will be a square plus b square. Here is a into minus b, first row and second column, minus ab, and again b into a, that is plus ba. Second row and first column will be minus ba plus ab, and first row and second row and second column will be minus b square and plus a into a square. Okay, again this will be equals to a square plus b square, a square plus b square. It will become 0 because of minus ab plus ab will be 0, and minus ab plus ab also will be 0, and here is a square plus b square. Okay, I'm going to take a square plus b square common from this matrix, then it will be a square plus b square common over here, and the remaining term in the matrix is 1 0 0 1. Okay, and this is the value of a which is given, that is a equals to 1 0 0 1. And here I'm going to write it, that will be a square plus b square, and here is a, and this is the right hand side. Okay, hence proved.